Thank you very much. I give the floor to the distinguished representative of Asian Forum for Human Rights and Development.
Mr. President, we welcome the report of the Special Rapporteur on the promotion and protection of the right to freedom of opinion and expression. We echo the Special Rapporteur's recommendation that private sector should protect the right to freedom of expression. In the current digital age, online platforms have become a space for vibrant discussion and robust debate. They also play an important role as a tool for civil society and the public in their struggles for human rights and democracy, including in repressive environments. We therefore endorse the Special Rapporteur's recommendation that private entities should be evaluated on the steps they take to promote or to undermine human rights, including freedom of expression, particularly in repressive environments. We are gravely concerned at the increasing efforts by several Asian governments to encourage private entities through laws and policies to take steps that have serious negative implications on the right to freedom of expression. In Cambodia, the draft telecommunication law and the pending cybercrime law, if enacted, will drastically change the digital landscape with severe restrictions on online expression and operation of internet infrastructure. In Thailand, the military government's attempts to amend the Computer Crimes Act would further add chilling effect on freedom of expression by holding intermediary and ISPs criminally liable for content produced by users. In Malaysia, government's proposed amendments to the Communication and Multimedia Act, which would further restrict freedom of expression online. The amendments will introduce harsher registration and licensing requirements for online news providers and bloggers. We are also concerned by the secrecy around this legislation and amendments that are being introduced in all three countries. We further note with particular concern that in Asia, digital surveillance of HRDs often result in threats, harassment, intimidation and criminalization. We thus call on the Special Rapporteur to work closely with the Special Rapporteur on human rights defenders in this regard. Lastly, we emphasize the importance of NHRIs in addressing violations cited by the Special Rapporteur.
Thank you very much. I give